With advanced 3D printers, concrete can be shaped into full-sized buildings and structural designs. Heating, hammering, or pressing is used to spread the rivet's tail and make it wider. Most carpet cleaning experts combine steam with detergents to refresh carpets and advise annual cleaning. This machine uses hydraulic pressure to remove extra parts from a gas cylinder. Cured-in-place pipe, CIPP, is a trenchless repair method for pipelines. A flexible liner is inserted into the old pipe, forming a strong, seamless new lining inside. In machining, roughing is used to quickly remove large amounts of material and bring the workpiece close to its final shape. A paper cutter is built to trim many sheets at once with one smooth motion, giving straight, clean, and accurate edges thanks to its solid build and measured design. The blow molding process makes hollow plastic shapes. Common methods include extrusion blow molding, injection blow molding, and injection stretch blow molding. A Rocky Mountain juniper is being wrapped for digging using a tree baler machine.